Medicaid is a notoriously fickle process. To obtain its benefits requires the diligent and precise act of filling out the application and fulfilling a laundry list of requirements laid out by the government. To demonstrate its complexity, it is not rare that many first-time applicants are rejected simply for lack of accuracy or a missing piece of paperwork that was supposed to be included. Therefore, to increase your chances during the application process and throughout the remainder of the requirements to continue to receive benefits throughout your life, hiring a senior law attorney is highly advisable. At C. Hayner Law, PLLC, years of experience waits to greet you and assist with any elder care matters you may need. Unfortunately, however, there are times in which it may be futile to seek assistance. While it is never too early to begin planning end-of-life care, it can be too late. For example, suppose an unexpected tragedy occurs, or you find yourself unable to attain the state of mind necessary to make legal decisions. In that case, it will be too late to plan your estate or establish Medicaid benefits. Luckily, attorney Christopher Hayner understands the needs of seniors and has helped countless clients find the peace of mind that only comes from the knowledge that one is prepared in case of tragedy.